Is this a hit or a miss here? Just got done changing out the kid toilet seat, and the lady said, hey, can you customize this a little bit? Everybody can put on a toilet seat. I'm looking at a little bit more of a specialty design here. So I follow this guy on social media called the Pomalorian. So my thought is, what if I spice it up like that? Put down a new base plate for our bolt cover, snug it up, not too much. That's where we like it. And then we'll pop on a new custom bolt cover. So my first thought is, I wonder how long it's going to take the kid to notice these. Tell me your toilet's custom without telling me your toilet's custom. This is the way.